So my name is Lance Goodman. I'm the CEO of Compare Club. Been a founder of the business. So we've been running for 13 years. Really, we've had quite a few changes come into the business, and so we got Trudy to come in about 2 years ago. She really helped us put together our 5-year plan, which was great. We hadn't really had that long-term thinking in the past, and then also break it down into the FY22 plan then as well. So got Trudy to come in more recently and just go through that process again with us, which was great. She really pulled the team together and made us focus on what we really need to achieve. So it was a really great experience. The team got a lot out of it. So thank you.